Hi, good afternoon, children. Students, we have completed exercise 4.3. Today, we are going to do a new topic, that is problems on subtraction. Chapter number 4, subtraction of numbers. Our new topic is, read it. Read with me. Problems on subtraction. Problems on subtraction. इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, I'll say, or let's take an example. तुम्हारे पास 7,000 रुपीज है. Then after that, इसके बाद तुम लोग एक साइकिल लाए हैं. You bought a cycle of 4,550. Then इसके बाद तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा बाकी होगा? This is problems on subtraction. So let us check. You have 7,000 rupees, and after that you bought a cycle of 4,550. तुम्हारे पास 7,000 रुपये था. इसके बाद तुम एक साइकिल लाए. साइकिल का प्राइस था 4,550. So let us subtract. First one's column, 0 minus 0 is 0, that you all know. Then 10th column, 0 minus 5. You know, you cannot subtract 5 from 0. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 0. So let us cut and take 1 from this number. This here also 0 is there. So let us cut and take 1 from this number. Then this number will become 7 minus 1. That is 6. That will move to this number. Right, 10. Then cut and take 1 from this number. So this number is 10 now. Then subtract. What is 10 minus 5? Do this. What is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. So, तुम्हारे पास 2,450 रुपीज बाकी है. समझ में आया? This is the problems on subtraction. Students, all of you take page number 45. Here you can see one example. The example is, what should be added to 2,389 to get 4,800? They are already given. What is the question? What should be added to 2,389 to get 4,800? So let us take 4,800 minus 2,389. One column first, 0 is there. 9 is bigger than 0. So let us cut and take 1 from 10th column. Here also 0 is there. So let us move to the 100th column. Cut 1 and take. So now this number is 10. Then cut 1 and take. So abhi ye number 10 hoga. Then what is 10 minus 9 is 1. Then next column, 10th column, 9 minus 8. What is 9 minus 8? Is 1. Then 100th column, 7 minus 3. What is 7 minus 3? Is 4. Then 1000th column, 4 minus 2 is 2. So read it, students. Read this number, 2,411. You have to add to 2,389 to get 4,800. So let us add 2,411 plus 2,389. So let us check the answer. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 is carried forward to the next column. That is 10th column. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Again 1 is carried forward to the next column. That is 100th column. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3 is, what is 5 plus 3? That is 8. Okay, next. Thousands column, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So, what is the question here? What should be added to 2389 to get 4800? So, do you get it? You get it? Okay, students, if you getting any doubt while doing your work, you just contact me by WhatsApp. Okay, students, all of you take exercise 4.4. All of you take exercise 4.4. Their first question is, what is the first question there? Read it. What is the first question? What should be added to 435 to get 1000? Just right now I did that just to do that. What should be added to 435 to get 1000? So let us check. For that, first we have to do subtraction. 1000 minus 435. Ones column first. There you can see 5 is bigger than 0. Cut and take 1 from this number is also 0. So let's move to hundreds column. This number is also 0. So let us cut and take 1 from this number. So if you minus 1 from minus, then you will get 0. 10. Again cut and take 1. Again cut and take 1. So this number is 10 now. Got it? 10 minus 5 is 5. Next, 9 minus 3. What is 9 minus 3? Is 6. Then 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? Is 5. 0. Don't write 0 here. No need to write. 565. So let us check. 435 plus 565. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 here. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 is carried forward to the next. 1 is carried forward to the next. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Got it? So the answer is 565. Please take 565. Next question is, the sum of two numbers is 2894. If one of them is 1750, the other number is. So let us check what is the other number. For that, we have to subtract 1750 from 2894. Let us subtract. First ones column, 4 minus 0 is 4. Next, tens column, 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, hundreds column, 8 minus 7 is 1. Next, thousands column, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1144. That is A. So students, next question, this question number 3 is homework. Please do this in your fair copy. Okay, next question number 2. There one question is there, just to read it, students. John's monthly income is rupees 8,000 and his monthly expenditure is rupees 4,690. Find his monthly savings. Students, there is a formula for savings. Savings is equal to income minus expenditure. So, what is John's monthly income? What is John's monthly income? All of you say together. That is rupees 8,000. So, students, for this question number 2 solution. First step is John's monthly income. that is equal to rupees 8,000. So next, John's monthly expenditure is equal to rupees 4,690. 4,690. So, what is the question here? Finding his monthly savings. They already given the formula also. Savings is equal to income minus expenditure. What is the income here? 8,000. And what is the expenditure here? 4,690. So, how to find the savings? So, the savings is equal to income minus expenditure. Okay, so let us do. What is the income? 8,000. And what is the expenditure? 4,690. So do first ones column 0 minus 0 is 0. Next tens column 0 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. So let us cut and take 1 from this number. Here also 0 is there. So let us cut and take 1 from thousands column. So now this number is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Next 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 4 is also 3. So what is his savings? 3,310. So let us write John's monthly savings is equal to John's monthly savings is equal to 3,310. 3,310. Got it? So students, please do question number 3 as a homework. Question number 3. Please do this question number 3. Okay? Students, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home. Stay safe.